In today's video, I'm going to show you a new exciting way to eat your yam. A lot of us, we just boil yam, add it to beans, use it for egg sauce, blah, blah, blah. But today, I'm showing you how to make yam balls. And not even like your regular average yam balls. We have some minced meat in this, we have some cheese in this. So we can just say this is cheesy yam balls. It is really good, you guys. Really, really good. In fact, the addition of cheese is literally just like a last minute decision. I'm like, this is going to be good with this thing. So let's dive right into it. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on the thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, leave a comment letting me know what you think about this video. And now let's go make the most amazing yam balls ever. For our yam balls, you're going to need some bell peppers. You can always use as many colors as you want. We're going to need some scotch bonnet. We're also going to need some eggs. Please make sure that your eggs are free-range, clean eggs. We're also going to use some cheese, some butter. I am using mozzarella cheese here. We're also going to use some onion. I'm also using some flour. This is all-purpose flour and it has been sifted beforehand. Some full cream milk, and of course we're going to be using yam. I still don't know what new yam is and what old yam is. I just buy yam and I use it and it always works. So if you know what new yam and old yam is, kudos to you. I am just going to cut this like I would any normal yam. There's nothing particular about this. The only thing is I'm just going to cut them in like little chunks just so it's easy for processing later on. But if you don't want to do that, you don't have to do it. I'm just cutting around like the bad side. There's something about bad yam that just stresses me out, but yeah, that's not why we're here. While I'm just going to cut that and then just set that aside or put that in the water so it doesn't change color. Also, is it new yam or old yam that changes colors really fast? I don't know. Anywho, I'm going to cook this. Please and please and please don't tell me that my pot is too small for this yam. I know, but I already started filming the video and I was too lazy to change the pot, so I had to wing it. I know that it is too small, and you guys have a thing with food bloggers making food in like really, really small pots, but yeah. While that is cooking, I am going to use my chopper to chop the onions and peppers. I really want them to be like finely chopped, which is why I'm using my chopper. Of course, if you can do this with your hand, kudos again to you. Once that is done, I am going to set that aside. This should not take any time at all. Now our yams should be ready. You know that the yam is ready when like you poke a fork in it and it comes out and it's like easy to poke. Also, you want to try to make sure that this yam is really, really soft, just so that it's again easy for the entire processing process. Oh wow, that was good. Now I'm going to be using my immersion blender to break this yam further. You might be asking why I'm not using food processor. I'm not using my food processor because the food processor is going to over smoothen this. It's going to make it look like pounded yam, and that's not the texture that we're looking for. The yam should still be rough after this process, not like eba smooth or pounded yam smooth, if that makes sense. So that's why I am using this. You also want to be careful if your hand processor or your hand immersion blender is not strong. Please don't try it with this. Once I'm done with that, I am now going to add the blended pepper mix that we made earlier, the bell peppers, a little bit of eggs. I'm also going to add the minced meat, and then I'm going to add the milk. Once you do that, you're just going to season this slightly. Please and please do not over season. Don't do too much. To be honest, a lot of times when I say people should not do too much, I really, really mean it, because food does not need too many ceremonies to make it work, if that makes sense. Now, all I'm going to do is mix this. You want to make sure that everything is properly incorporated in a way where the minced meat, the yam, the bell peppers, they're going to be in one bite. I've gone ahead to cut my cheese into like little chunks off camera, just so this video is not long. I know you guys don't like long videos. Now what I'm going to be doing is to just get an ice cream scoop, and then I'm going to scoop out some of the yam balls mixture. Then I'm going to put the mozzarella cheese inside the mixture, then roll it over. This is just so when we fry this, the cheese is obviously cooked, and then we get to have like the cheese pool and all of that. It's just easy. If you put the cheese outside, of course it's going to melt, and then you're going to create a mess, which is not what we're looking for here. So I'm going to repeat this process until I have no more yam mixture left. While we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, or in case it's the first time you're coming across a video from my channel, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. These days I don't know if I'm a YouTuber anymore because I'm not consistent, but if you like quality food content, content, you should be subscribing to my channel, because I always always deliver. As far as quality food, verifiable recipes go, I always deliver. So if that sounds like your thing, please subscribe to my channel. Now, once you're done rolling out the yam balls, we're going to get the flour and mixture. This is, I always call it flour mixture, but it's just regular plain flour. We're going to add the yam balls in the flour, then we're going to put it in the egg and milk mixture, and then we're going to transfer back to the flour. This is just so that when we fry, it's not busting open, and then it also helps like the texture of the yam balls. Now my oil is already hot. You can see that the oil is almost getting to like over half the size of my pot. This is because we have to deep fry this. If you're going to fry this in a shallow pan, it is not going to work. Some parts are going to be cooked and then some parts will not be cooked. Please and please, yes and yes, healthy people, you can actually air fry this. Please, you can air fry this. Just spray a little bit of avocado oil or whatever oil you want to use and then just air fry it. It is going to work. I mean, it won't give you the same look that we have now as far as pretty food goes, but it is going to give you the same quality, right? So you want to do that, and after frying for about 7 to 10 minutes, this is what we have. Beautiful cheesy yam balls. I can't even lie, this tasted so good. I shot this video over 2 months ago and I'm so sorry I'm just posting it, but yeah, this is how you make people's heads turn with your food, because this yam balls is perfection. I am going to repeat the frying process until I no longer have any yam balls to fry. This again should not take so long, and this is what everything looks like. It looks really pretty, it tastes really good, it is easy to make. I don't think that there's anything here that's complicated for anybody. So like I said, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets the algorithm know that you've enjoyed the video, and then they push my video to more people like you, and then our family grows. We are here to hit 100,000 subscribers. And then please subscribe to the channel. It is important that you subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. I am going to see you in my next video, which is going to be next week. I promise you guys, already edited. Bye.